The coastal area of Wemyss is known for its caves. The caves, which were believed to have been a product of sea action from 5,000 to 8,000 years ago, are situated on the north shore of the Firth of Forth, in or near to the village of East Wemyss. The caves are historically precious due to the high number of carvings which are inscribed on their walls. The earliest of these are thought to date to the Bronze Age, whilst the vast majority are connected with the Pictish period. The Pictish carvings constitute the earliest style of Pictish art and are widely thought to represent the highest concentration of Pictish cave carvings in Britain. There were initially 11 caves in total, 2 of which, the Glassworks Cave and the Michael Cave, were situated on the west side of the village. Neither of these caves exist today. There are, however, 6 remaining caves along the coastline to the east of the village: Court Cave, Dew Cave, Well Cave, Jonathan's Cave, Sliding Cave, and Gasworks Cave. Court Cave was possibly used as a court in the Middle Ages. Plenty of keep-out signs discourage entry, but the cave consists of a large chamber and a separate passageway leading to another exit, now bricked off. Inside there are Bronze Age cup marks, a hunting scene, or perhaps a representation of a Viking god Thor, and harder to spot Pictish symbols. Dew Cave was used to house pigeons, with nesting boxes carved into the walls. Well Cave, in the middle of the trio of caves at the back of the grassy area called Castle Green. The other two small caves are also worth a look. Inside, there are dozens of name carvings from the last few centuries. Jonathan's Cave, a large cave with two entrances, named after a nail maker who used to live in the cave. Inside there's Pictish Ogham writing near the back. A Viking longboat carving on the right wall. A fish and a dog or wolf on the left wall. Plus several fake carvings. Sloping cave is a long cave with a low entrance, requiring an awkward stoop to enter. The Pictish carvings inside amount to a double disc on one side, a mirror, and a comb case on the other. The Wemyss Caves have featured in the popular archaeological TV program Time Team back in 2005. The majority of these caves are gated, but the key can be retrieved and borrowed from the local village.